Welcome back, everyone. We're at Godshalls Test Kitchen, and today we're going to be making some bacon-wrapped roasted potatoes. To make our recipe today, we're going to need some cheddar cheese, fingerling potatoes, chives, salt and pepper, olive oil, a bell pepper, and of course, Godshalls real wood smoked turkey bacon. To prepare our potatoes, we're just going to cut them in half long ways. We're going to do that for every single one. Now we're going to prep our potatoes to make easy cleanup. We're going to get a Ziploc bag, dump them in, put in some salt and pepper, some of our chives, and some olive oil. Going to close up the bag and shake them. We're going to take them out and put them on the sheet pan to bake at 350 for about 40 minutes. You're going to have to turn them or shake them every 10 minutes so that they don't stick and burn. Our potatoes are done roasting. We're going to take them out. To prepare our pepper, we're going to cut it into strips first. Now let's cook our bacon. We're going to add some salt and pepper and saute our peppers. Once the potatoes got out of the oven, we threw some cheese on top to get it nice and melty. To make our bacon wrapped potato, we're going to take our potato, put it in the middle of our turkey bacon slice, put our sauteed pepper on top, wrap it, and skewer it. Our last step is we're going to garnish them with some chives. And that's our bacon wrapped roasted potatoes.